Hello everyone, welcome to yet another... Whoa. Well, he doesn't have the patience. Okay. Luckily he did it safely enough, so... Oh, there's... Wow. Gee, man. There's just wood, debris on the road, man. Yeah, what a start to the video. What a start to the video. Firstly, this guy overtakes me, and then there's just remnants of some pallet or something on the road. Man. The way to get to here, I have to actually manage to an extent, like micromanage.
400 meters, turn right.
On the navigation. On the navigation, because sometimes it leads me down a closed road, even though it shouldn't. So, you know, you always have to be mindful of what the navigation is actually telling you. So we're turning right here, get as far forward as we possibly can. There's people coming from there, okay. Okay, oh, from up there it's clear. No, it's not clear from down there. Man, they positioned that sign right there just exactly on the corner up there. I don't know if you can see it, but sometimes I just have to squeeze myself in, just like this.
Please follow them.
Yay.
The 5th exit.
Take the 5th. There's only like, is there 5? Yeah, there is. This is no. I was confusing this. Like, this roundabout looks like one of those roundabouts where you like need to stop when you're in the roundabout, because, or like from there it is. No, it's not actually. No. I was confusing them with one of those, which it isn't.
Please follow the route for 7 kilometers.
Not sure what was going on there, but anyway. There are roundabouts when you're inside of it. You need to actually wait for the guy that's entering. So I was confusing it with that one just because it was oddly shaped, and I was thinking to myself, wait, is it actually one of those where I need to wait for the other guy to come in? Is really fun and interesting. Yeah, you'll see. It's like a rally track. That's what it looks like. It's as if it was built for rally cars to drive through here, but there's actually trucks coming down and stuff. So if a truck comes down this way, like I just noticed one, if we're in each other, we're gonna get in each other's way. That's for sure. But if it's at an misfortune, or what's I'm looking for the word. If it's in an improper moment, somebody will have to probably go backwards, because look at this. Like, I cannot see if something's coming or not. I need to look left here to actually spot for myself if there's something coming. And that's what I tend to do when I have the ability to do so, because then I can take the turn quicker and you know, more sharper, but in this instance I have to go like 30 because I cannot see if something's coming. So that's the tip that I can give you when you're crossing these type of roads. And look, my navigation, what it's saying, look at it, or what it's showing me, like it's a knot coming up, like I need to go up there. Luckily there's no truck coming, so, or it seems that way, but this is like a 180. So yeah, if there's something coming, I need to check on that mirror up there. Looks like there's nothing. Okay. And whoever, if there's somebody coming, you need to wait now because I'm taking the turn. Look at that. Yeah, I think you can see the mirrors. The quality is good enough, I think. But yeah, good. There are no trucks. The only thing I need to worry about when I take this turn sharply like this is if somebody is a lunatic or is somebody is crazy enough to overtake me in a turn, which can happen. Let me tell you, people get impatient. If somebody is crazy enough to do that, then because they're impatient, like I can actually, you know, cut them in and potentially cause an accident. So, but yeah, these roads are something else, and you never know when you get thrown into. Look at this. Like, could you imagine if we met each other down there in a really like tight turn? That would have been something else. Yeah, but what I was saying is you never know when you're gonna get thrown into one of those one of those type of streets and roads and whatnot, because suddenly you're driving across like a, you know, a relatively wide road. There's no like signs of things like that occurring, and then all of a sudden you're thrown into one of like what I just showcased. And even this, like, look, like, are these roads meant for trucks? Not at all. Not at all. And like the thing I was talking about right there is if we met each other at a, like that truck that was down there and me, if we met each other at a bad moment, you could make the argument that one could potentially be, you know, going backwards. You know, should be going backwards. So anyway, as well, another thing is that I'm like pretty much empty right now. I checked the weight of the truck because at the company I was, they actually have a scale. So as you're going in, they know exactly how much you weigh, and then on the way out, they know also how much you weigh when you're leaving. And so on my way out, I didn't check on the way in because, you know, I was actually trying to get in as fast as possible. which didn't turn out well because I was there still for 1.5 hours or so, because there was like 2 trucks in front of me that needed to unload at the same spot, so it ended up being a little bit of a drag being there. But yeah, the truck had a weight of 14 tons, 620 kilograms. So I'm not heavy at all, considering, you know, I can go all the way up to 40. So and so that's why the truck is a little bit speedy. Like, it goes quite fast, relatively quickly, whereas normally it would take like from 0 to 60. It takes a while when you're loaded fully. So, and driving through these types of roads, it is beautiful, let me tell you. Really, really beautiful. But also hit or miss, because you never know what to expect. Like, where you're gonna end up driving through. You can only pray and hope that it's all gonna be good, and that, like, you all, as you've seen, if you've, like I said, been watching the video, I don't know what you've been yeah, maybe, I'm not quite sure what the point I'm trying to make is, but as you've been able to see, all it takes is one guy leaving his car in the middle of the road, or parking falsely, or like really badly parking, just something where it can just close off the entire road for me, or I would hit whatever it is that's, you know, obstructing the road. And so you can only hope that nothing goes bad, really, realistically speaking. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna squeeze right in here. You see how it like pulls? It doesn't take long for it to reach 60 and stuff. And yeah, if you're wondering what type of truck I'm driving, it's a DAF XF 480. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's an XF 480 horsepower, which is, you can definitely feel the G's. You can feel the horsepower that it has, especially when it's empty or when you're driving without the trailer. I do drive without the trailer sometimes when I want to fill it up, because it's easier that way. You don't take up as much space. I ran out of battery there, my bad. But yeah, we're just continuing. I'm still here, working my way through the road. But yeah, what I was saying is that I like driving down these roads, but when it's nighttime, like I said, when there's nobody here, and so I can, you know, maneuver through them more easily. But there's no fun in that, so fun, right? Fun, quote unquote. But yeah, anyway, we're about to hop on the highway here. and then it's gonna be like a 30-kilometer drive on the highway. Yeah, it's right down there. I think you saw it a little bit if my camera is sitting on my head correctly, because the battery change. But yeah. Like, what's that sign for 12 tons? It doesn't even look like a truck can go through there. What do you mean 12 tons? But yeah, anyway, back on the highway again. Okay, nothing's coming from below, there's nothing from the front. Oh, there's another guy coming from behind. Yeah. Yeah. I sort of ran out of things to talk about. But yeah. What is this? It's not here. So it's up there. A nice new fresh patch of tarmac, nothing like it. And so now it begins the boring part. Well, it won't last long, pretty sure, because I need to get, like, I wasn't following this highway for a long while, and I'll be off it soon, from what I can remember. Yeah.